Red, I'm telling you. And he's lighting a cigarette. Did he get in there? Hold on. If he's in there, I can get him out. He's in there? Okay, good. The boat will slowly spin around. Oh, that's a red. It's fighting like a red or a cat. It's either a red or a cat. Hell yeah, baby. Good fight. Nope. Told you that. In the that's a red. That's a fucking red. I know it. That's my red. You can't. Well, you're still good. You're still good. Let him do his thing. Oh, I'm coming back this way, huh? Here we go. I'm pretty sure he's got a red over here. Now he's coming towards me. Let me get away. Drop your anchor now too. Hold on, hold on. Yep, just hold it right there. Yep, just hold it there. He'll come back out. Yep, there you go. Perfect, good job. He tried to go behind you. I'm coming in to help you with the net now. He's on that side. Oh yeah, that's a nice one too. All right, coming in right here. Nope, he's not ready yet. Oh, that's a big, that's a bull. No, you hold the rod. Bring him over here. There we go. He's in. That's an over slot right there. We should have. I'm coming in next to you, don't worry. No, you're good. No, you're good. I'm coming forward. I'm coming right next to your right-hand side. Yep. Coming over here. And now we're hooked. Now we're on together. Holy shit, my man. Snapper? Or oh, that looking like a cat now. Either cat or snapper. That's either a cat, what? Oh, a jack. Nice. You got him, or you want me to net him? Okay. There we go.
Shoot at it right as I was pulling it away.
I saw that. As soon as I told you to move it, someone hit it, right? Here. Take a little picture with it. We got... You got a snook over there? All right, we got a snook over there. And so we got Tigger with us. I'm coming to take pictures, Tigger. Oh, he came off. He cut the line? There's no way. Yep, there's no way. Let me go take a picture of this snook, and then I'll come give you a damn, that was another red. That was another red.
Out of that hole.
That spot where you said something had to be in there? Yep. They're here then. I think we're gonna stick here for a while. No reason to move. Finally got him out of there, huh, Tigger? He was playing with you? Let me go on the other side. The sun's shitty. No, there could be more than one. They've been schooling, so you might be able to pull a few out of that hole. There we go. Got it. Oh my Lord. It's got to be the world's smallest red here. 11 inches. What do you need? I don't think it's a trout. It's either a mang. Oh, we're looking catty now. Nope, mang. Too small though. We'll take a picture though. Oh, he might be close. He's close. He's gonna be close.
Hang on, buddy. You're gonna get off.
Do you want to keep fish or do you?
No, let him have it.
Okay, if he wants it.
Yep.